What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing unboxing here in our okay. Alright guys, we're in the living room right now. So we are going to unbox what I ordered from Worx. So Worx is, this company sells garden stuff, tools, everything, and I ordered 2 items, and that's what I'm gonna unbox today, guys. Now, because it's so hot in my room, summertime. Alright guys, so first item, this one is a stool, and it is also a what do you call this, where you can put all your stuff inside. It's not only a stool, but it's a 2-in-1. It has a lap here in the front. And alright guys, so this one is a footstool. So this is very light, and it has a handle on the top here, guys, so you can bring it anywhere around your house. And then besides that, you can also keep stuff in this footstool here inside. See, it's very deep, guys, almost 5 feet. 5 inches, in depth. So you can put a lot of stuff in here. It's kind of like a footstool and then storage at the same time. So it's not only on the top has a storage top part, and then there's also a storage on the bottom here. So you can also put stuff in here. So yeah, it's very useful, and it's very strong, very sturdy. I think it can hold 500-pound weight or something. Yeah. So yep. Okay. So I think this is almost 10 inches in height, guys. So it's just right for your, for your everyday use. If you cannot reach something on your drawer, especially me, I'm not that tall. So I really need this one, guys. It's very useful for me. And yeah, so you can buy this at Worx, Worx.com. And yeah, I think it's still available. It's very hot, guys, right now. I'm in the living room. As you can see, the sun is very shiny right now. So yeah, so this is my footstool from Worx. Alright guys, next item is gonna be my Worx fan. So this one is battery, a rechargeable operated battery fan, guys. So you can bring this again everywhere around your house. It comes with a 20-volt battery here, so you can recharge it. And yeah, so let me just open it, guys. Alright guys, so the next item is gonna be my 20-volt power share job site fan. So this is the fan. This one is very lightweight too as well, guys. See? So you can use it everywhere as well. and I ordered the one that comes with the battery, you know, rechargeable battery, and you can also plug this on your regular outlet right here, but I don't want to use this one. And yeah, so you can use this everywhere too, because especially right now it is so hot, guys. So if you are in a garage and if there is no like air coming or something, you can use this one. And yeah, so but I haven't tried it, so let me try it, guys. So let me just put this one here on the back right here. You can put the battery here, rechargeable battery. And okay, so alright guys, hold on, let me just figure out how to turn this on. Alright guys, this item is so awesome. Battery operated, you can charge this. So items from them that I purchased, I had the wood trimmer, and then I have the leaf blower. I don't know if you guys seen it on my my unboxing video. I bought the leaf blower, and then this one. So this is the third one. So I have three. Every time I purchase something at Worx, I always buy the one that comes with the battery, so I don't need to worry about, you know, recharging it. Like if it's gonna take me time to clean the backyard, because sometimes I think the battery, the 20 volt, only lasts for hours or something. But yeah, so if it's fully charged, it will last you 4 hours. And yeah, so this one is 20 volts max, and then it is also 5.5 pounds, you know, in weight, so it's very light. And yeah, so this one is very convenient, guys. And then you can also hang this. See, there's like a thing in here that you can hang if you're working, if it's like really hot. So that one right there, you can hang it everywhere. And then the reason why I bought this one is because, you know, when I take a shower in my bathroom, there is ventilation, but there's no windows in my bathroom, so it's really hot. As soon as I get off the shower, I'm already like sweating or something. So that's why I bought this one. And then I'm gonna bring this to my work as well, because I don't want to, you know, stay in our break room. That our break room has no ventilation, there's no fan in there. So yeah, I'd rather stay in my car. But since it's summer, I cannot stay in my car because it's so hot in there too. So that's why I bought this one. And then I'm gonna bring this with me at my work. And then yeah, so the power button is here on the right side, guys. So you just turn this on right there. And then, so this is the power button. See, as you can see, it's working now. Wow, this is awesome, guys. So anyways, so the power button is here. And then if you want the fan more stronger, so you just press another one. So you press twice. So yeah, but I don't need that, it's enough, you know. So yeah, I can bring this when I travel, guys. So yeah, so I don't need to worry about sweating or something. MG, guys, I think this is the best purchase at Work so far, guys. Worth it to buy, guys. And this one was, I think it was 100, I think it was 120 something dollars, guys. But again, my I have an advice. So every time you buy something at every time you buy something online, Google, like for example Worx, Google something for coupon. So if you find a coupon, you can apply a coupon at their website, and then it will save you a lot of money. So that's what I do every time I buy something online. So yeah, look for a coupon. So yeah, so here I go, it's working now. And OMG, guys, I really love this fan. So maybe I'm gonna buy another one. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna bring this with me every day at work, at least for the whole or the rest of the summer season, because it's so hot, guys. So yeah, unboxing video. So that is my fan. As you can see, it's working. And then that is the box that came with it. So, and then okay, the fan also comes with this, guys, so you can plug it in your, you know, power at home if you don't want to use the rechargeable battery or you ran out of the battery. So yeah, but I'm gonna the battery that I already have, because I have two stuff that I purchased at Worx from the previous one. So that is the stool. This stool is very sturdy too, and it can hold, you know, heavy weight. And then plus it's very convenient too, because you can put a lot of stuff in here. Inside is very deep, guys. See, it's a very deep one. So there power tools at work, so maybe I don't need to buy you know, the tool bag. I just have to use this one. And plus it has a drawer on the bottom, so you can put stuff in here too as well. So yeah, so anyways, guys, thank you for watching my unboxing video. It is so hot right now. It's summer time here, or I don't know about your area, guys. Ow. Okay, sorry guys, I just hurt myself, my finger. It got caught on my tripod. So anyways, thank you for watching my unboxing video. It's a very nice weather, but it's so hot, guys. So I'm here in the living room right now. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button or comment or turn the bell, so every time I have a new video or unboxing video, shopping video, it will alert you guys on a new video. So yep, so this is Alfie ET. If you love shopping, haul, unboxing, you're in the right channel. But if that's not your cup of tea, then leave. No, I'm just kidding, guys. Thank you again and have a good day.